In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting using a meeting ID and passcode. This method is especially useful when you receive a meeting invitation from someone outside your organization or when you don't have a direct link but have been provided with the necessary details. By following these steps, you'll be able to join meetings quickly and securely. First, open the Microsoft Teams application on your computer or access Teams via your web browser. Once Teams is loaded, look for the Sign In button. Enter your login credentials to gain access to your account. Signing in ensures you can join meetings scheduled for you and have the correct permissions to participate. Having your credentials ready will save time and help prevent any login issues. Once you're signed in, navigate to the Meet section. This is usually found on the left sidebar of the Teams interface. Clicking on Meet will open a new section where you can manage or join meetings. Look for the option that says Join with a Meeting ID. This feature is incredibly convenient because it allows you to enter a unique meeting ID to access a session without needing a direct link. Now enter the meeting ID exactly as provided by the organizer. This ID acts as a unique identifier for your meeting, so double check the numbers to avoid errors that might prevent you from joining. After entering the ID, you'll need to input the meeting passcode. The passcode is a security measure to ensure that only authorized participants can join, so type it exactly as given to avoid any access issues. With both the meeting ID and passcode entered correctly, click on the Join Meeting button. This will connect you directly to the meeting, allowing you to participate fully in discussions, presentations, or any collaborative activities planned. Remember, getting these details right is essential for a smooth experience. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you're now ready to join any Microsoft Teams meeting using an ID and passcode. Whether it's a professional team meeting or a casual virtual catch-up, you're just a few clicks away from seamless online collaboration. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful or have any questions, leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe for more practical Microsoft Teams tutorials.